Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to install App Store in your Xiaomi MI LED TV. First go to your PC or smartphone, and go to the link given in the description, and download appstore TV. After it is done downloading, copy the APK to a removable USB device. Now go to your TV and connect the USB device. Make sure that installing from unknown sources is allowed in settings. Now go ahead and open TV Manager. Select Install via USB. Select appstore TV and click Install. From here you can install TV-compatible version of apps like YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime and many other. MI TV does not support Google Play services, so we cannot install Google Play Store. This acts as a viable replacement for Google Play Store. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll buy you a cookie if you subscribe. Thank you for watching.